Yeah, so the past 3 months have been unreal.
Hey everybody! Welcome back to my channel. On today's vlog, we have something big to unbox. And today, we ordered something from PC Hub over at Gilmore. So during my first week of work, I decided to try something new. We're gonna do this by going up and down the stairs non-stop.
Wow, so here I am on my desk trying to put into words how grateful I am for this YouTube channel, when really it's unexplainable.
Alright guys, so they say a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. So here we go. Let's burn those calories.
Oh wow, this thing is cool. Feel like I'm freaking Iron Man.
So I guess for this video, I wanted this short old film, Super 8 vibe type of thing, explaining why I got into this YouTube thing in the first place. I always like cool gadgets. The one with really cool designs. It was my thing since I got my Nokia Lumia back in high school, which in my opinion had the best home screen and user interface back then. It was a love for all of these cool features and unboxing new gadgets every single time.
Today is a very special day. After years of watching unboxing videos, I finally get to make my own.
Okay, this is probably the best keyboard I've ever seen in my entire life. What I love about Apple products is this pull tab over here that we can just pull.
In college though, I got into really cleaning out my room and trying to find this space wherein I can work in. Hence, this desk setup that I've built over the past 4 years. I had this obsession of watching desk setup videos literally every single time, every single one. My friends would always come over and I'd tell them about my new gadgets, which really started this love for sharing my tech. Hence my first video being my desk setup.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Byron here. Welcome to my very first video.
So what I wanted to share with you guys today is something that's very special to me.
Some would say that I'm an extrovert, but I think Jed could vouch when I say that it's seriously different talking to a camera. I had to literally put in 2 times more energy just for it to be shown on the screen.
Hey, what's up guys? Now, filter remaining 100%. Perfect to start this video. That actually sounds like a really great idea for another video.
Byron here. What I have for you guys today is something crazy.
I was about to give up at the start, but we kept pushing and things, they got better.
So let's move over to the unboxing. The box is in classic Logitech deal. Day 1. This video would have Before anything else, happy 15th video everybody!
Jed and I never settled when it came to the quality of our videos. Up till now, we just don't want to be another tech YouTube channel. We always want videos of high quality and edits that just make you go wow. It wasn't just about hitting that record button on our camera, but making sure we actually liked our own videos.
So that's a check. That's the 10th flight of stairs that we've done. Alright, so as of now, we have 40 calories burned and it's only been 4 minutes. So let's do the 90 more. Let me bring it up to the table. Oh my lord! I think it would be cool though if they play 7 cameras since it's the Realme 7. Joke.
And we did have videos that we never put out just because of our standards. This YouTube channel wasn't just about uploading another video every single week.
So that was a solid unboxing. Thanks to Justin. So here we have it, the Logitech webcam itself. I think the manuals are under.
My friend Alvin from Alvin Tries Tech once told me that the goal was about making each video better on every upload. You guys should really subscribe to him.
Extremely comfortable for us to type with the keyboard. It's okay, I wanted to say comfortable. Sorry, I forgot to get the cutter. We can post that. I don't think it's here, man. Where's the cut? Where's the power button, Jen?
I know 1,000 subscribers may seem like such a small number because of the bigger tech YouTubers out there, but thank you to the 1,000 who basically turned this hobby into one of the best things that has ever happened to me so far.
This might be the perfect companion to help you out with that. You catch it on camera. Sorry, I had to spell that out because I don't want to activate my Alexa back there. Oh.
Thank you to my friends that always comment, to the friends that always send in their gadgets straight to my house for review, and to everyone that's helped me try to grow this channel so far.
It feels absolutely great. Actually,
It's also 34 inches, but it isn't curved and it's only at 1080p. Can we throw this out already?
So once again, hey everybody, we just reached 1,000 subs and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Hey everybody. Hey everyone, Byron here, and hey Byron Uy here. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next one. See you on the next one. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.